Hello, we have a new tool for volunteers to easily record when they'll be staffing. To use it, you have to be signed in and you have to be a volunteer. To check whether or not you're a volunteer, go to your dashboard, and then on the left, click Account. If it says No under where it says Volunteer here, then you'll need to request permission from a community manager or an administrator. So if you are a volunteer, then you'll see an option down here called Staffing Calendar under your support. Click that. Once you're in the staffing calendar, this is where you can easily just select which day you want to staff and what time and what shop. So let's go ahead and do an example here. Let's say Thursday. 7 to 9 is selected right now. Let's say 5 to 8. And click Save. Well, let's choose the laser cutter. Click Save. And there we go. That's it. Now, say you wanted to staff multiple shops at the same time. Well, you can just click the same time here. Just choose a different shop. 5 to 8. Save. And there we go. Or say you wanted to also let people know that you'll be, say, cleaning the shop while you're there and may not be available for long to help people with projects. Let's say metal shop, edit. Check this box here and then you can add special extra information to your staffing. So let's say I will be busy cleaning and cannot help with projects for long. Update. And there we go. Now, when people click on that, they'll see your note there. Let's say you want to staff every Friday. So that could be a little cumbersome, so this should be pretty quick though with this new system. Just click on, let's say Friday here. Let's stick with 5 to 8 in the wood shop. Save. Now all you gotta do is click next Friday and it remembers your previous selections. Wood shop, 5 to 8. Save. 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 And that's it. That way you can quickly fill out what days you want to staff. If you make a mistake, you can always edit or delete any of the days that you're in there for. Let's delete that one. You already saw me edit once. So yeah, and that's it. Thank you again for supporting Zerocraft, and we truly appreciate the time that you invest along with us. Thank you.